Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mova Foodies. In today's tutorial, I want to show you the land that I just acquired for Waterleaf business. As you can see, the land is massive. It's very big. From the main road here, go inside to the end of it. This is my plantation also. You can see so many plantains inside here. This is the one I finished planting. As you can see, this one is big also. So this is a good business. Don't just sit on the fence. Just do something new to help yourself and your family. See another side here. It's not developed yet, but I'm still going to use it for Waterleaf business. As I said, it's a lucrative business. Do something and help yourself. This is my plantation. This Waterleaf, you'll be thinking, how do they get it? How do they plant it? I have a lot of videos. If you want to make a living, just watch it, you'll see. So as I said, this is the land I just acquired here. They will start working on it on Friday this week. Hello everyone, this is how they cut the Waterleaf. The farmers are there cutting the Waterleaf. They want to go and sell in the market now. Now Waterleaf is really selling to 1,000, you can imagine. So they are really making money. But they will say they have not made any money, but they are making money. So this is how the cutting is being done. As you can see, this is another bed here. This bed is empty because of the rain. The rain is really affecting the Waterleaf production. So like this bed that is empty like this, you need to refill it. You need to go to the market, buy new Waterleaf stem or Waterleaf bone and plant more. So like those other people there, they are removing grass from the bed. So I'm taking you to another bed now. Like this, I'm going to another bed here. Like here, you can see there's water here. I need to go through this water to get to my bed where the farm is. Oh. So I'm going through this gutter here. As you can see, the gutter here. So I pay somebody to clear this gutter for me so that the road can be free. This is another bed of mine. So this one. The rain is affecting this other one too. So as you can see, I planted bitter leaf also. So as you can see, this brother is removing the gutter so that the water can flow well. So this is all about Waterleaf production. You must make sure that there's a road for the water to go out. This is another bed of mine. I've just finished cutting this one. So this one I poured manure on it. So please subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. This is Mova Foodies. Bye.